Good day everyone. In this presentation, I'll talk about the President of the Philippines Commonwealth. The Commonwealth period from 1935 to 1946 was a transitional government established by the United States to prepare the Philippines for full independence. During this time, the Philippines had its own constitution and an elected president who served as the head of state and government. The Commonwealth government The Commonwealth of the Philippines was created under the Tyndall-McDuffie Act. It gave the country more autonomy while still under American sovereignty. This period was important because it helped the Philippines build its own institutions, economy, and defense system in preparation for independence. The first president, Manuel L. Quezon, 1935–19 to 1944. The President of the Commonwealth was Manuel Luis Quezon. He was elected in 1935 and re-elected in 1941. Quezon is known as the father of the national language because he championed the creation of a national language based on Tagalog. He also focused on land reform, social justice, and building a national defense. During World War II, when the Japanese invaded the Philippines, Quezon and his government went into exile in the United States, but he continued leading the government in exile until his death in 1944. The Quezon presidents Sergio Osmeña (1944 to 1946). After Quezon's death, Sergio Osmeña became the second president of the Commonwealth. He helped in the establishment of the Philippines government after the liberation from Japanese occupation. He also worked closely with General Douglas MacArthur and the U.S. rehabilitate the country after war. Role of the Commonwealth President. Both Quezon and Osmeña laid the groundwork for an independent Philippines. They organized the civil service, improved the education system, and prepared the government for self-rule. Essentially, they were leaders who guided the country during difficult but formative period in history. The President of the Philippines Commonwealth, Manuel L. Quezon, and Sergio Osmeña play a crucial role in shaping our government, preparing the Philippines for independence. Their leadership during the Commonwealth era helped establish many of the institutions and policies we still see today. Understanding their distribution gives us a deeper appreciation of how country moved toward self-governance.